Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel Sonia Rathi, and we are going to talk about all about economics. So let's study economics with Sonia. So we are here with the microeconomics video where we are going to talk about the shift in the budget line. Now in the earlier video we talked about budget line. Budget line is also known as price line. Budget line is also known as price line. अब बजट लाइन बजट सेट होता क्या है? सो आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस बजट लाइन सो दैट इन शॉर्ट आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू. बजट लाइन क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन showing different combination of two goods which a consumer can buy, which a consumer can purchase with the given income and given prices of two goods, such that the cost of each of these combination should be equal to the money income of the consumer. So क्या है इसमें? मैंने टू गुड्स लिए, pear and banana. Prices are given, income is given. Income suppose I have rupees 30. Prices of given goods is pear and banana each of 10 rupees. Now different combination, different bundles, what I can choose, what I can have. Different bundles could be the 3 pears I got. So 3 pears into 10 is 30 rupees हो गए मेरे डन. So 3 pears and 0 banana. Second में 0 pear and 3 banana. Third में 1 pear and 2 banana. And fourth में 2 pear and 1 banana. This we talked about in the earlier video. If you have not understood, better watch the earlier video. Now we are going to talk about the shift in budget line. Since we assume that the prices of two goods and the income is given. Now budget line में shift कैसे हो सकता है? Now we are assuming that either the income of the consumer is changed or the prices of the goods has changed. Only then the budget line can shift. So first, effect of change in income of the consumer. If the income of the consumer has changed, what will be the effect on the price line? What will be the effect on the budget line? AB, it was my earlier budget line. Now my income has changed. मतलब suppose my income has increased. अब मेरी income बढ़ गई है तो I can have more of both the goods. So AB has shifted to A1, B1. So the rightward shift means AB has shifted to AB1 budget line. Why? Due to the increase in the income, I can have more of both the goods. Other situation could be if my income has fallen down, if my income has decreased, what will happen? I have to buy less of both the goods. That means AB has shifted to A2, B2 budget line, and this is a leftward shift, which means my income has decreased and now I have to purchase less of both the goods. Have you understood this? Now let's come to the other situation. What could be the other option? The effect of change in the relative price of the goods. What will happen if the price of any of the good has changed? What will happen? There will be a change in the budget line. Budget line में change होएगा. That means there will be a change in the slope of the budget line. As the price ratio will change. Why the price ratio will change? Because with the change in the prices, the price ratio has to be changed. Now first option is change in the price of one good, and the first good I am taking is the pear. Change in the price of pear. The pear is on the x-axis. So what will happen? AB is the earlier budget line. Now the price of pear has changed.
सपोज द प्राइस ऑफ द पेयर हैज़ इंक्रीज. अगर पेयर के प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन? आई कैन हैव लेस ऑफ पेयर. ओनली एक्स एक्सिस दैट इज़ पेयर. budget line of pear will change and the budget line of banana will remain the same because there is changing in the price of only pears. So if price of pear will increase, so my budget line will change to AB1 to AB2. Now, if the prices of pear has reduced, अगर pear के price अब reduce हो जाते हैं तो मैं ज़्यादा pear ले सकती हूँ. I can have more of pear as compared to earlier. Now my budget line will shift to AB to AB1.
Situation. I hope you understood this. Now we'll be talking about the second situation in which the price of the banana is changing and the price of the pear will remain the same. So what will happen? This is AB and now the price of the banana is changing. So what will happen? Only there will be a change in the banana, not on the x-axis. There will be a change on the y-axis because the price of banana is changing, not the price of the pears. So what will happen? AB is the budget line. Now the price of the banana is increasing. The price of the banana is increasing. So what will happen? I have to reduce my consumption. Price increase of banana. What will happen? A B से क्या होएगा? A1 B शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. A B शिफ्ट to A1 B. Why? अगर मेरे प्राइस इंक्रीज हो गए हैं तो मुझे रिडक्शन अपनी कम करनी पड़ेगी. आई हैव टू रिड्यूस माई कंजम्पशन. AB will shift to A1B. Why? The price of banana has increased. Now, if price of banana has decreased, price कम हो गए. So what will happen? I will increase my consumption of bananas. So AB will shift to A2B. AB shift to A2B. Have you understood this beta? अगर banana के price change होंगे, so we'll be dealing with the y-axis and x-axis will be constant. If the change in the price of pear, so we will be dealing with the pear side. That means x-axis पे deal करेंगे and the y-axis will remain the same. Okay. But if we talk about the change in the income of the consumer, income change हो रही है तो we can have either more of both the goods or less of both the goods. So there will be a shift in the budget line. इसमें budget line shift हो रही है, इसमें budget line change हो रही है. अगर price change होएगा तो budget line change होएगी, पर अगर income change होएगी तो budget line shift होएगी. थोड़ा जल्दी तो नहीं हो रहा? I hope you understand this. Now we'll be talking about. In the next video, we will be talking about the consumer equilibrium under the IC curve. So I hope you understood this. Stay tuned for the next video and I hope you like the video. So do hit the like button and share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.